Good morning. Myself Dr. Mrunal Akre, Assistant Professor, Department of Development, Global Institute of Ayurveda. Now we are seeing a pharmacology series. In that series, we will see our next topic, that are antiplatelet drugs. Now, when we have studied antiplatelet drugs, these antiplatelet drugs are used to interfere with platelet formation, platelet functions. Generally, these drugs are also known as platelet aggregation inhibitors. The platelet inhibition, their mechanism of action is it alters surface receptor on platelets and inhibit ADP and fibrinogen, induce platelet aggregation. It does not affect TXA2. It is a prodrug with viability of 50%. They have viability of 50% and it is metabolized in liver. Generally, all these drugs, they interfere with platelet function and are useful in prophylaxis of thromboembolic disorders. Platelet express several glycoproteins, the intergen receptors, and on their surfaces. Reactive proteins like collagen are exposed when there is damage to vascular endothelium, and they react respectively with platelet, GP, glycoprotein A and glycoprotein B receptor. This results in platelet activation and release a proagitory and vasoconstrictor mediator like TXA2. Now the drugs used are aspirin. Aspirin we have seen already. Clopidogrel, it is a newer and more potent cogner of ticlopidine, has similar mechanism of action, ability to irreversibly inhibit platelet function and range of therapeutic efficacy, but it is safer and better tolerated. Side effects are diarrhea, epigastric pain and rashes. Adverse drug reaction are most like bleeding tendency. Dose is 75 mg OD. Clodrel, Clopilate and Deplat are trade name of clopidogrel. Our next drug is ticlopidine. Generally, ticlopidine, its mechanism of action, it alters surface receptor on platelet and inhibit ADP as well as fibrinogen on and arachidonic acid and PFA. Induce platelet aggregation. It blocks the GI coupled ADP receptor on platelets. As a result, activation of platelet is interfered. It prevents fibrinogen binding to platelets without modifying GP, B and A receptor. There is no effect on platelet TXA2. But bleeding time is prolonged and platelet survival is extra. Corporeal circulation is increased. Because of different mechanism of action, it is synergized effect on platelet with aspirin. Combination is a potent platelet inhibitor. Peak antiplatelet effect is produced after 8 to 10 days of therapy. Plasma half-life after single dose is 8 hours, but after multiple dose it is 8 days. Trade name are available like Placate, Telecantine, Telecogard, Telcolop, etc. Next is Prasugrel. Prasugrel, it is latest, most potent and faster anti-acting P2Y2 purineric receptor blocker that is being increasingly used in acute coronary syndrome and when strong antiplatelet action is required. It is a precursor and also prodrug. It is given in 10 mg OD or increase up to 60 gram body at body weight. 5 mg OD and loading dose is 60 mg can be given. Use of antiplatelet drugs are in coronary artery disease, acute coronary syndrome, unstable angina, cerebrovascular diseases, prosthetic heart valves and arteriovenous shunts, peripheral vascular disease and venous thromboembolism. Now hypolipidemic drug. Generally hypolipidemic drugs, they are used to lower the lipid level in body and lipoproteins in blood. The hypolipidemic drugs have attracted considerable attention because their potential to prevent cardiovascular diseases by retarding the accelerated atherosclerosis in hyperlipidemic individuals. These are classified as HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor, that is statin group. Levostatin, simvastatin, pravastatin, atorvastatin and rosuvastatin, etc. Bile acid sequester, that is resin group. Lipoprotein lipase activator and lipolysis and triglyceride synthesis inhibitor. Nicotinic acid and sterol absorption inhibitor. These are the classification of hypolipidemic drugs. The mechanism of action of profile of lipid lowering effect of important hypolipid drugs are as follows. Now we will see about HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor. These are also known as statins. This newer class of compound are the most efficacious and best tolerated hypolipidemic drug. They competitively inhibit conversion of 3-hydroxy-3-methyl glucotriol coenzyme, that is HMG-CoA, to mevalonate rate limiting step in cholesterol synthesis by inhibiting the enzyme HMG coenzyme reductase. Because HMG coenzyme reductase activity is maximum at midnight, all statins are administered at bedtime to obtain maximum effectiveness. ये ध्यान में रखना है कि हम लोगों को जितने भी स्टैटिन ग्रुप्स है ये सिर्फ रात को ही देने के लिए बोलना है, पेशेंट को कभी सुबह नहीं लेना है. इस ग्रुप में अभी जितने भी आते हैं वो है लिवोस्टैटिन, सिम्वास्टैटिन, एटरोवास्टैटिन एंड रोजुवास्टैटिन. इसमें से एटरोवास्टैटिन जो है वो डिक्रीजेस लिपिड लेवल बाय इनहिबिटिंग HMG coenzyme reductase and reducing cholesterol and LDL synthesis. It also increases the HDL level. Its dose is 10 mg per day up to 80 mg per day if required. Then simvastatin, it is also similar action to HMG. All simvastatin and rosuvastatin, levostatin, they all have similar action. Our next is bile acid sequestrant. This bile acid sequestrant, they also know cholestyramine. Generally it decreases bile acid absorption and increases hepatic LDL, and LDL is decreases to 15 to 30%. The drug cholestyramine, it converts CH to bile acid, then increases HDL and up to 3 to 5%. Also increases LDL receptors on hepatocytes. Then TGs are not affected, and it increases fibric acid derivatives. All these bile acid sequestrants, they increases hepatic activity, bile acid absorption is decreased and LDL is also decreased. Activity is seen on lipoprotein lipase and fatty acid from adipose HDL, it is increased, and VLDL, it is also decreased due to this group. And different levostatin, simvastatin. Levostatin, it is clinically used statin, lipofolic and given orally in precursor lactone. Absorption is incomplete and first pass metabolism is extensive. Simvastatin, it is twice potent than levostatin. Pravastatin, it is hydrophilic and given in active form. Atorvastatin, it is newer and most popular statin. It is more potent and appear to have highest LDL and CH lowering efficacy. Rosuvastatin, it is a newer commonly used potent statin Pitavastatin, this is latest and dose-to-dose the potent statin group, having no specific advantage compared to other statin have been demonstrated. Its plasma half-life is 12 hours. Use of statin is the first choice of drug for primary hyperlipidemia with raised LDL and total CH level and triglyceride level. Now bile acid sequestrants, they generally have basic ion exchange resin supplied in chloride form. They are neither digested nor absorbed in gut, but bind bile acid in the intestine, interrupting their enterohepatic circulation. Fecal excretion of bile salts and cholesterol is increased. The CH2 binding. Lipoprotein lipase activator fibrate, that is gimifibrosil bezafibrate. This fibrate isobutyric acid derivatives primarily activate lipoprotein lipase, which is a key enzyme in the degradation of VLDL, resulting in lowering of circulating TGs. This effects in exerted through proximsome profoliator activated receptor, that is gene transcription regulating receptor expressed in liver, fat and muscle. Lipolysis and triglyceride synthesis inhibitor. Nicotinic acid, it is also known as niacin. It is a B group vitamin which is much higher dose, reduces plasma lipids. This action is unrelated to its vitamin activity and not present in nicotinamide. When nicotinic acid is given, TGs and VLDL decreases rapidly, followed by modest fall in LDL and CH and total cholesterol. So this was about antiplatelet drugs. Now we will meet with our next topic in our next lecture. Thank you.